Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing well and safe. Today's video is going to be a little bit interactive one because I'm going to talk about the products that I use. Disclaimer, none of these products are high ends because I'm still a student and I have to count every penny to buy a product. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, the first product that I'm going to talk about is this Pond's Super Light Gel. This one, I use this as a primer and it is very good for oily skin people. It is super light, it's gel based and non-sticky. It is very good, so I use this as a primer. This one is priced at rupees 299. The next product which I'm going to talk about is foundation. Yeah. Okay, this is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation. I am in the shade Honey. Yep, Honey. And this is an yellow undertone foundation and full coverage foundation and super dry. It gets super matte. One thing is it is a little bit drying, I feel like but then that is not much of an issue for me because you can relate to me if you're oily skin. Like by the time I am done with the makeup, the oil pops out eventually. So that is not much of an issue. So for oily skin people, it is very good. This one is priced at rupees 750. The next product which I'm going to talk about is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Okay, I made a little bit cuckoo in choosing the shade. It is a little bit light for me, but then that's okay. I can make that work. I can mix it with my foundation and like that's fine. So yeah, it is not a full coverage. It is low to medium and nice, blendable, super light, and it is not as matte as the foundation. So I'll just apply a little bit here and I'll show it to you. It's a little bit light for me. It's super dewy as well. Okay, this is the foundation and this is the concealer. It's dewy and it's very light, and because my foundation is super matte, so this being dewy is like really helping for me. This one is priced at rupees 475. The next product that I'm gonna talk about is Maybelline Fit Me Compact. It's super affordable and it's very nice. Like it's matte, it mattifies your skin, and it's very good. It's a affordable and like well product. No complaints about it. And this is priced at rupees 159. The next product which I'm gonna talk about is contour stick. I used to use the Wet n Wild contour stick, and super blendable, super creamy and not too harsh, but I lost it. So now that's gone. So I have to use bronzer, and I avoid using bronzer because the contour stick used to do like all the work for me. So because I have not used any kind of bronzer before, so I have to set my hand, and for that I'm using a brown eyeshadow. So yeah, and I am going to buy, I have my eyes on the sugar bronzer. So once I buy that, I'll give you the review on my stories, maybe Instagram stories. The next product which I'm going to talk about is Lakme Rose Powder, baking powder, or whichever, banana powder, whatever you say. This rose powder is with sunscreen. It is written here, right here. And this one is priced at rupees 170. Neutral undertone powder, and it is actually very good. Like sometimes there are days when I forget to conceal, so this one does the work for me. So yeah, so that's about it. The next product is brows. I do not use any kind of brow product because I already have very bushy brows. I just need to fill in the sparse areas. For that I use a brown eyeshadow and a little bit of black, so that does the work for me. So I do not, and I also have a spoolie, so I just brush my brows with that and then I apply the eyeshadow, so it does the work for me. So I do not buy any brow product because I don't need it. The next product which I'm going to talk about is blush. I use this Makeup Revolution Blush Hot Spice palette. It has a lot of shade. It is priced at rupees 1350. I know for blush it's a little bit pricey, but look at the range of shades, man. It has a peach shade, an orange shade, and a very highlight. It also has a highlighter, like this works as a highlighter as well. So yeah, there's a lot of shades. The next product that I'm gonna talk about is highlighter, my favorite. I love to go. And which I use is Physicians Formula's highlighter. I don't know whether you'll get it here or not because this one is from UK. It has lots of shades. So I'm showing you the lightest shade first. So yeah, it's a golden undertone highlighter. You can see. And I'm gonna swatch the darkest shade as well for you. It's a bronze copper shade. It is very good, so I have no complaint about it. I also used another highlighter, that is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and it's in the shade Pearl, I guess. Priced at rupees 599. It's a very good, again. It's a mix of silver and golden tone. So I'll show you. I don't know whether you can see or not, but then it's a very nice subtle highlighter. Like, it will give you a subtle glow, silver undertone, and also a little bit tinge of gold. So yeah, and I don't have any complaint. Like, it's a very subtle. So when I love to go a little bit like over the top, so I use both of this. Like, first I use this one, and then to top it up, this one. Next, moving on to eyeshadow palettes. One is Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave. It has lots of shades, and yeah, it has shimmer shades, it has matte shades. I'll swatch one shimmer shade for you, maybe this one. Yeah, this is the shimmer, and I'll swatch one matte shade for you, maybe this. You can see this one is my favorite eyeshadow palette. I got this from my best friend. It's priced at rupees 1950. So yeah, and I guess it's worth the price because you're getting a lot of shades, and including shimmer and matte. Pigmentation A from me. Fallouts, I won't say zero fallouts, but also not heavy fallouts. So yeah. And what else? Like, it has 30 shades. It's Makeup Revolution Fierce Wild Animal palette. There are lots of vibrant shades. There's orange. This is a neon pink, by the way, and there's red, shimmer red. I love this palette as well. Like, you can go all neutral with this palette as well. Also, you can go for a heavy look as well. There are lots of shimmer shades as well. It has a very buttery texture and very metallic and satin texture. Like, I love this. So yeah, and this one priced at rupees 1750. Next up I have is Faces Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette in rose. No complaints about this. Pigmentation superb. Fallouts, I would say zero fallouts, and it's a very nice mini compact travel friendly palette. You can take this anywhere. It also has some glam shimmer shades here, little bit of matte shades here, like neutral shades here, and so yeah, you can play with this palette. It's been long I have been using, but this one is a very good palette. You can also use these two shades as highlighter. I am almost done with these two. Like, I have used these shades as highlighter as well. You can see it's a silver. Yeah. Next products that I have is again eyeshadow. This one is a liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. I absolutely love this product. If you guys have been following me, then you know how much I love this product. I almost use this at every video. Like, this, the texture is super drying. Like, it dries out very fast. It has glitter particles. Okay? And it dries out very fast, so you need to work very like quickly with this one. This one is priced at rupees 199. Very affordable, very good. Will highly recommend this one. the product which I regret buying, that is Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow, creamy eyeshadow, and it's nothing like it's gonna dry up after you put or anything like that. Yeah, it's a metallic creamy eyeshadow. It is not gonna dry up, rather it's gonna crease, because it's a cream product, so it is going to crease. It will start creasing right after 5 minutes. So you have to set this eyeshadow with a powdered shimmer glitter eyeshadow. Also, it looks very patchy, and this one is priced at rupees 99, I guess. Not good. No. For eyeliner, I use this basic Insta liner. This works for me. I have used pen liners before, but it dries out really fast. I've used the colossal liner before and it dried up really fast, so that's a no for me. And this one works for me, so I do not look at any pen liners anymore. This one is priced at rupees 115, I guess, and it also has lots of shades like blue. I saw a blue one, a green one, and also a golden one. I have no complaints about it. You will know because it's a very classic eyeliner. I have never used any other eyeliner other than the pen liner, which disappointed me eventually. So yeah, I haven't looked at any liner. I have been pretty loyal to this one. I will show you the best product that I have in my kit is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. It says it's waterproof, but it is not waterproof. I have another waterproof mascara which is also from Maybelline, but this one is not waterproof. This one, yes, it does lengthens and it does give a volume, so it does curl. So I have no complaints about it, and this is actually very good. Like, it gives the volume, gives the curl, gives the length. So yeah, that's all about the product. This one is currently priced at rupees 383. Next mascara that I use is Color Bar Princess Lash, I guess. Like, the print is gone, it's pretty old, and I love this mascara as well, so I have not stopped using this. Next mascara that I'm going to talk about is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and this one is waterproof. This takes hell of effort to take it off. This will just not leave your lashes. This will stay. It stays for 2 days. If you don't like you have to put lots of effort to like take this one out. It doesn't give volume, but it gives the length. Next product that I'm gonna talk about is kajal. I use this very basic Lakme iconic kajal. It's pretty dark and it is actually smudge proof. It stays on my eyes for 3 fucking days. It will just not go. No matter how much oil or how much makeup remover you put, this will not go. This will not leave your eyes. If you put this one and that waterproof mascara which I talked about earlier, then you're gone, bro. Like, your eyes are nicely like decked up for long 3 days. So yeah, this one is pretty dark. I have another shade, like a blue one. I don't like this one much. This one is priced at rupees 199 maybe, or 175, I don't know, but like the price is around that only. I have another white kajal which is not from Lakme. This one is from Wet n Wild. I love this one as well. This one is actually very cheap. This one is priced at rupees 85, cheaper than the Lakme one. The next product that I'm gonna talk about is Dabur Gulabari Rose Glow Face Cleanser. Okay, this works like wonders, I am telling you. When I have not put any makeup right now, like zero makeup. I have put a little bit of lipstick and I have just sprayed this, and you can see the glow. I use it as a makeup fixer. The makeup does stay long, and like it gives a very nice glow. Not like it will melt your moisturizer or makeup down. No, it will lock it there. The glow just locks. I will highly recommend you guys. Talking about lipsticks, I have a lot of lipsticks, so I cannot talk about all of it in this video, but I am going to show you few of my favorites. This one is my newfound love, that is this L'Oreal Rouge Signature in the shade I Choose 121. This is the lipstick, very classy packaging, and I'll show you the shade. Okay, where, yeah, it's a nice nude peach tone. Okay, it says it's matte, and it is a matte lipstick, but it also like doesn't dry out completely. It doesn't like gets all chalky and dry and like peels off. No, it is transfer proof and it's matte, and also it doesn't dry out completely. The texture is amazing and I love the shade. Next, from the family of peach, I would say, this is the Nykaa Bombay 01, and also I have been using this for a very long time now. It's been long, and this one is also like a little same. It's same. It's a little bit more dry and than this one, and so yeah, this lipstick, actually the one drawback is this one dries out. Like, it's been a year I've been using this and it did dry out. They also have a mini version of this one, so you can go check it out. This one is priced at rupees 325, and the Nykaa one is 600, I guess, 599. This lipstick which I'm going to talk about, this Maybelline Creamy Matte. It's not matte. It claims to be matte, but it is not at all matte. This is a very much nude shade, a more nude shade. You can see the shade Nude Nosh 657. It's at rupees 239. Next is a red lipstick. I have tons of red lipstick, but this one is my favorite. This one is from Nykaa, Scarlet Rain. It's matte. It's a blood red shade, and it's not completely transfer proof. It has this magnet thing also, like you can see. It's not completely transfer proof, but yeah, the shade is very pretty, and the texture is also nice. So that's all about the product, and you can see the glow is already fixed. I have this glass finish effect without any makeup. So yeah, I will highly recommend you that one, guys. So that's all about the products, and I hope you guys like this video. I do not make interactive videos because I mumble and mumble, okay, mumble. So I hope you guys liked it. I have put lots of support on this. Comment down below if you want me to make another video on just lipsticks or on skincare, anything. I can make more interactive videos, maybe interactive makeup videos, or maybe live sessions. So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, then share my video, and thank you for watching.